We'll guide you through how to remove parental control from a Google account. If you find this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video. Perhaps you don't want the limitations anymore, and so you want it removed. It's important to note, you do need to be of a certain age in order to do this. What we can do though, to try is go and swipe up and find settings. Now, you need to go and scroll down and go and find the option for Google and tap there. In here, you need to go and scroll down and go and find the option for parental controls. As you can see now, you can press the three dots in the top right and press Stop Supervision. Read this through. Make sure you understand the consequences, and you can press Stop Supervision. Supervision is stopped. You can press Close in the bottom right and wait. Now you can come back, and that's it.